I mean, like, if you're not shopping online, what are you doing? You know, like, honestly and truly, well, you know better. You do better, okay? Know Hey loves, welcome back to another video. As always, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for more videos to come. As you can tell by this background, it looks a little familiar because I am back home. I came home for Thanksgiving just to go right back to school and then come right back home for the rest of the holiday season. But anywho, according to this title, I'm going to be showing you guys a few little things from my Shein Cyber Monday, pre-Cyber Monday haul, and then give you guys some tips and tricks on how to shop and get the most for your money on Cyber Monday. Cyber Monday is one of my favorite days to shop during the holiday season. Honestly, if you feel like you missed anything during Black Friday, I guarantee Cyber Monday is 10 times better, especially if you were trying to shop online for Black Friday. If you feel like you missed anything, Cyber Monday is going to have way better deals. I can guarantee that pretty much 70% of everything that's in my closet is pretty much from shopping online. I'm practically a shopping online guru at this point. I don't really like to go out in crowds, especially during holiday season. It's a lot of crazy people, it's a lot of commotion, it's hectic, my anxiety, I can't. And I just feel like when you shop online, you find a lot of cuter pieces that don't normally, you know, you find in stores. So without further ado, let's jump into this haul and tips and tricks. Alright, so the first item I'm already wearing, and it is this cozy brown oversized sweater. It's slightly high-low right here on the side. It is wool, but it's not itchy, so that's perfect. And the little neck part isn't too tight on me. Sometimes whenever I have sweaters, the itchiness comes like right here or like right here. But other than that, this is a super cute sweater. I love the color, very fall vibes, you know. Next, I have this cute hat. I don't even know what kind of hat you call this. I just thought it was super cute. It's black faux leather and croc print. I said croc. I mean, yeah, it is croc print, like as in crocodile. But I showed you guys a jacket that matched from my other Shein haul that matched with this hat, and I do plan on wearing it together because this hat definitely gives me like Janet Jackson vibes. I was telling you guys that in my last haul, but this is super cute, and I feel like I don't really wear hats like that. I mean, like, the only time you'll ever find me in a hat is if I'm having like a bad hair day or my braid or twist out isn't quite dry, but this hat is everything. The next item I have is this super cute top right here. This is perfect for anyone, like I said, that's always in a warmer climate. For me this year, even coming back to Georgia, Thanksgiving was pretty like warm. So for me going to school in Florida, even though it's like supposed to be fall season, if the high is 69 that day, I can still force the season look with this type of top. You definitely want to wear a strapless bra, obviously, with this. Don't wear a black one like me, wear a nude one. But I love tops that have this separate sleeve detailing on it, and the ruffling on this is just so cute, and it is sweater material. Next, I have this gorgeous nude sweater dress right here. I love the sleeve detailing on this. It comes with a little belt attachment, and it is about mid-length and bodycon. I also like the little deep scoop neckline on this dress as well, and it's super comfortable too. Alright, so moving on to my favorite part of the video, which is going to be me dropping gems on what I do to shop online. So I made a little notes memo to keep on track with sharing the gems with you guys. So the first thing I like to do is make a list. So whenever I shop online, I like to think of it in terms of grocery shopping in a sense. I always like to look at sites from Instagram boutiques, YouTube reviews, just any new site that I probably don't really shop on that much, just to kind of get a variety of things in my closet. A lot of times I still gravitate towards the sites that I know that I love too. So for example, Shein, I love Shein. By the way, make sure you guys use my coupon code in your purchase if you shop from Shein. I'm also like Pretty Little Thing. I also like Miss Lola for shoes, and then I like to subcategorize my list. So for example, if I know I like a certain website but I don't really like their shoes, I know I'll probably get tops or bottoms from that site. If I like another site for their shoes and accessories, I'll probably just only shop from that site for those things. So you just want to have a general idea of where you want to shop from, and from making that list, I like to also add a price point of how much I'm willing to spend on that particular website. So for shoes, Well, just for in general, whenever I shop online, especially Cyber Monday, I give myself a budget of like $300. Now, I try to spread that out so I don't spend all $300 on one website. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to, like, you know, get a variety, a mix of things from different places. So after making my list, know your measurements. I tell people this all the time. Whenever you shop online, you definitely want to know your measurements. And when you're shopping for each individual item, you want to look at the measurements for that individual item, because a lot of times websites get, you know, wholesale vendor things. So every item is not the same type measurement. So you definitely want to know your bust. You definitely want to know your waistline, especially for bottoms. And honestly, that's the only time I really even go to a shopping mall or a store, is to just know that it fits perfectly. But because I shop online so much, I have a general idea of what measurement is going to fit a certain way on my body. So that is so important. You're gonna save yourself disappointment, you're gonna save yourself heartbreak, you're gonna save yourself money by knowing your measurements. And that goes across the board for any website that you're gonna shop on. Next, after creating that list, make sure you create an account with those specific websites that you like. So for example, I have an account with Shein. I always go on there. Like I said, they always upload over 500 new arrivals every day. They're a phenomenal site. Like, I never have issues with shipping. They're affordable. You literally can rack up on things, and they're always on trend with their new items. So for me, I like to go on there and like things, and, you know, just kind of wait until I buy it, just to see if I really want it at a particular time, like Cyber Monday or Black Friday, or really just in general, if I just really like it. I like to have a wish list of things that I like. Oh yeah, that's cute. When I, you know, come up with a little money, I might buy that, you know, things like that. It's also great to create an account with them for email listing. And that's another thing I want to talk about. Sign up with them with an account, and also sign up for their email listing. The thing about that is, a lot of people don't really like email listing, because it can be like, you know, a lot of spam in your inbox. But when it's around the shopping season, you're definitely going to want those emails, because you're going to get the inside scoop when there's price drops on certain items, when there's sales, when there's special promo codes that the general public will know. But because you sign up for the email list, you'll get that code. And if you don't like it and you want to stop it for whatever reason, you can always unsubscribe from those email listings. So it's not permanent. It's just a great way to come up with any exclusive promo codes that you guys may not know about. The next thing I want to talk about is setting a budget. Like I already previously said, I generally give myself $300 to spend around this shopping season. And I mean, I know that can kind of sound like a lot for a college student, but you have to keep in mind, throughout the year, I don't even like, well, no, I'll say this. Throughout the year, I get like things here and there, so I don't really feel the need to go all out during the holiday season. And I like to spread the money out. And when you say $300, I could easily get worth of, I could easily get $500 worth of merchandise for only spending $300. And I'll tell you why. Whenever you set a budget and you do everything I said prior to this, like signing up, creating an account, email listing, getting certain promo codes, I'm able to do these subcategories, say what I want to get from a site. So I'll give you an example. Whenever I want to shop for shoes, I usually go on misslilla.com. I already have things in my cart or my wish list that I was eyeballing, and normally whenever I go on there, to be honest, a lot of the sites that I shop from, they're always having a sale. So from this particular site, I'll say that 30% off is usually the sale that I always catch. It could be more during Cyber Monday, but let's say I put $150 worth of stuff in the cart, and then I used a promo code of 30% off. I'm only going to spend $105. So boom, I was able to maximize and get a little bit more. And then from that, you can kind of tell yourself, oh, well, if I do want to officially spend $150 in that cart, I have $105 that I'm going to spend now. I can add another pair of shoes that'll get me to that mark. So, you know, just think about it in numbers like that. I'm not great at math. When it comes to shopping, I make a way. The next thing is Ebates. Oh my goodness. So Ebates is great because you basically spend money and make money for spending money, if that makes sense. A lot of times, there's been times where I shop and I literally forget to use Ebates. So you need to download the toolbar for your browser that they have, so you don't forget. It'll kind of like pop up whenever you're shopping online, but it's a great tool to have just to make a little cash back from shopping. And lastly, this is a gem for all my college students out there. If you like to maximize your money, go ahead and get the app and sign up with Student Beans and Uni Days. They're literally always giving promo codes for college students. There's been times where I shopped on Boohoo or I shopped on Pretty Little Thing and had a code that was not even mentioned on the actual website, specifically because I'm a college student. They have tons of other websites, tons of other physical stores and promo codes for that. So it's not just for the stores that I'm saying, it's literally for like just about anything. And also, if you're not a college student, you can also use this. This is Retail Me Not. Retail Me Not is also a great app that I use on a regular basis, even when I'm out shopping, like let's say Michael's or Hobby Lobby. You know, I just always search the store that I'm in just to see if they have any in-store deals. I am a frugal shopper and I love a coupon code deal. So trust me when I say every time you walk in a store, you want to make sure that you check Retail Me Not before you get in the checkout line. So I hope all these tips were helpful for you guys. You know, make sure you study this video and get your coins ready to shop online for Cyber Monday. Like I tell you guys all the time, shopping online is so much better than shopping in person because, well, at physical stores, because you literally can use certain promo deals or promo codes and get way more for your money from shopping online. So trust me when I say I use every single one of these tips before I check out on any website online. So let me know if this was helpful in the comment section down below. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and make sure you hit that subscribe button for more videos to come. 2020 on the way, some more content is about to be rolling, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.